All right, guys, welcome back to Davis Auto Sales. Scroll to the side. Richmond, Virginia. Davis Drives on YouTube. So, I wore my blue shirt today hoping I was going to match my two blue trucks, but it didn't work. But in all reality, I don't dress like this. It's unfortunately, I got a sick kid, so my one clean shirt got throw up on it this morning. So, this is my work attire for today. And it does not match these trucks. Neither do these two trucks match. All my guys actually thought, oh my goodness, we got two twin trucks. And if you didn't have them sitting together, you would think so. But we've got a 2020 F450 Platinum right here, which is in Velocity Blue. And then we got a 22 Ford Lariat F250, which is in Atlas Blue. And again, it really, even in photos, when you guys see the thumbnail, you're going to think these are twin colors, and they're not. Not that it matters, but Ford's got two beautiful blue colors. We've been using these colors with pearl in them for painting suspension. Actually, our body and paint guy painted one of his trucks this color. It's a 70s model. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous color. But anyway, trash on the parking lot. F450. 2020, 20,000 miles, Christian? Yep, 27,000 miles to be exact. It is a Platinum. It is on 22-inch American Force wheels. It is on Nitto tires. It is completely stock. It is not even lifted. It just has the tire and wheel change. It does have the power steps. It has the black Platinum interior. It has the panoramic roof. It has the LED light package. It has the LED bed lights. It has the spray and bed liner. It has fifth wheel and gooseneck provisions in the bed, which have never been used. This truck is bought by one of our customers that owns a very high-end business, and he alternates. He gets a new truck every year, but he also does have an F150 and an F350 and a single rear wheel. So this was the oldest in the fleet, so he alternated this one out. All of the emissions are completely original. The truck's never been modded. It's never been touched, other than the tires and wheels. If you guys want this on a factory set of tires and wheels, I don't have the ones from this truck, but I do have a set in stock. Of course, we all know the F450, all the towing capacity you could ever imagine. Pull anything, your boat, race car, whatever you want, it will tow it all. The color match on this one and the color match on that one with all the accessories, trim, bumpers, beautiful, beautiful truck. Tinted windows, probably a little bit dark for some states. Check your state on that. We're going to run it down to the Ford dealer. We're going to check the factory warranty. We're going to check it for recalls. And we're also going to go ahead and get it serviced and inspected, so it will be done. Sitting next to it, if you haven't seen the videos yet, that is an Anylevel lift truck. And to stop so many people from asking, no, there's nothing wrong with it. The truck's $115,000. So I guess I get them on both ends. I get the hecklers that don't understand 115 is a steal. And then you get the ones that think 115, something's wrong with it. That's a 990-mile single-owner truck. Both of these trucks have never been outdoors. They've both been indoor kept. They did come from two different customers. That's on a full Anylevel lift system with powder coat, with the horn upgrade, with the Rocky Ridge upgrade. So that truck is miraculously a steal. The only other one that's close in competitiveness to it in miles, year, and equipment out there right now is 150. I think there's another one posted for 190. Could we get more for it? Absolutely. I priced it fair. It's a good deal. We're not an Anylevel lift dealer, so it doesn't really do me any good to market it. We can install Anylevel lift kits, but we're not a dealer. We have a couple we can refer you to. And if you want to do it, it's a great setup. It's a great lift. I made the guy a good deal. We traded on a couple classic trucks, as you heard in some of the other videos. But that's the story behind it. Loaded, power steps also, spray and bed liner also. Raises from basically 0 height to 14 inches roughly. It's probably sitting at 12 right now. It's not all the way up. It also has the LED lights. It also has the loaded leather interior. It also has all the other stuff that you can imagine. And it's flawless. Both of these trucks don't have any marks, nicks, dings. I'm sure the blue one over there, because it has 20-some thousand, has a rock nick on it somewhere. But that would be it. No scratches, no imperfections, no paint work, clean titles on both, clean history on both. Two beautiful trucks. But you can see right here with the sun hitting them that pearl flip-flops a lot. So you can see this one's much darker. The F450 is much lighter. Beautiful colors no matter how you cut it. We did have a customer ask yesterday on the Anylevel truck, and he's very interested, but it is still for sale. He hasn't paid for it yet, about changing the red out. That is not a problem. If somebody likes this truck and they got their colors, this guy's colors were black, red, and blue. We're building him a crew cab right now, and it's probably going to have a bunch of red under it, but it's definitely this color blue. We can go blue, we can go silver, we can go gray, we can go yellow, we can go purple. If you're a woman, pink, it doesn't matter. We'll build that truck however you like it. So 2 cool trucks. Appreciate you guys watching. Both for sale, both on the website. Memorial Day weekend's coming. If you don't get an answer, don't know what my staff's going to be, who's going to be in, who's going to be out, but don't hesitate to at least drop a message. You can send something here on YouTube. It will not always get responded to quickly, but we're trying to stay on top of that. DavisAutosales.com, Davis4x4.com, trucks at DavisAutosales.com for an email, and the phone number, 804-271-0030. And these are just 2 of our 300 plus vehicles. So depending on what you guys are looking for, Denali dually right there, a couple Tahoes, 4-wheel drive van. Across the road, we are bringing our boats out. Davis Water Sports is our sister company, boat sales, you know, blah, blah, blah. We're also getting a couple of our ATVs out, so check those out, Polarises. Matter of fact, that blue, if you can zoom in far enough over there, that blue on that would match in the back of one of these trucks pretty hot. So it's actually the same color as the Anylevel truck. Roadster boat, Baja boat, several others. Even a Dragon, which is a pretty rare boat. All on the website too. Check them out. Davis Auto Sales. Thanks for watching today. Hope y'all have a safe and happy holiday if we don't get back onto any videos between now and then. Memorial Day 2024. Thank you.